Hi, this is Steve for Expert Village. Today we'll be talking about organic gardening and the reason for organic gardening. Nowadays, as you can see, there's a whole lot of different products on the market strictly for the organic grower in mind. Organic growing basically means using natural fertilizer instead of chemical fertilizers to grow your plants, which is more healthy and beneficial to you and the environment. Alright, in organic gardening, what we do is we try to feed the soil with natural things such as different fish meals and bone meals, seabird guanos, worm castings, bat guanos, different things to help vitalize the soil. What we're trying to do here in organic gardening is feed the soil rather than feed the plant. This is a good product on the market, Fox Farm Ocean Forest. It's a 100% organic. Important thing to look for is the ORMI seal, which is the Organic Research Materials Institute, and with that certification you know that it's 100% organic.